What up, you guys? It's Marsh here. It's gonna be a quick little video, but we're on the way to Walshmo right now, and we're about to check out Will's new project car. So it's gonna be a quick one. Just thought I'd like to show you guys Will's new car before he gets all crazy with the mods, because if you know Will, he likes to mod his cars pretty darn fast. So we're headed down there right now. When we get there, we'll show you guys the new whip. What up? And it's Steezy. You want to intro your car, dude?
5 GPW.
Yep, that's pretty much it. It's pretty much stock. Yeah. So Will still has the 911. He just picked this one up to match, you know. Yeah, I don't know if you guys don't know, like finding a AP2 and GPW right now is like kind of a mission. I think Will, you were looking for this car for a while, right? Like a year probably.
Super deals, man.
Yeah. So Will's on the market for like a year, but prices on like S2000, especially AP2 in the right spec, because Will only wanted a white or LBP, right? The two must-haves. But yeah, so this is the car. I mean, it's like fully stock, clean title, obviously. Black interior. Soft top is still good. Been replaced. Yeah, I can't get in there, but it's all stock in there. Tiny little shift knob. But yeah, so Will's about to start the mod. That's why he's over at Walshmo. So just show the car real quick before. This is how he bought it. It's basically stock. Coilovers and non-concave TEs.
That's the Tanabe medallion.
Tanabe medallion exhaust. Yeah. KWs, TEs, and an exhaust. This is the interior. Oh, we put the floor mats. Can't forget. And the titanium shift knob that's tiny. You see my hand? Yeah, but pretty clean. That's the car right now. I just thought show the car real quick to the channel before Will starts the mods, because it's got a good amount of stuff going on in this thing, and it's probably gonna happen pretty fast, right? Yeah, probably gonna happen in the next like month or so. So this thing not gonna look like this for very long. Might as well, while it's stock, before and after. So yeah, this is Will's third S2000, you guys. The last one he did, he pretty much bought like this. It was a one odor 60,000 mile AP1, and he like completely modded the whole thing in like a month or two. But we did not film that one, so this one we're like, might as well film the before. Yeah, this thing is what Will has coming on the way is like, it's gonna be pretty similar to my car. Pretty similar to my S, you know, but it's because we like to do the basic build. Might as well check out what's popping off at Eric's. We got this, you know. Dang. This right here, this is what money looks like. Yeah, this is Eric's new wrap. It's the GT3 RS Ultraviolet. Yeah, they're pretty.
So I want I don't want like something super aggressive. Yeah. I think I might end up.
Nice little daily, you know, nice and comfy. Yeah. All the amenities. That's it. The right size for somebody of Will's, you know, body type.
Can I give you the keys?
That's what everyone says about S2000. Really good daily driver, especially if you're over 200 pounds.
So these are for the fronts, because I think I mentioned before. bore size on my new rims are not gonna fit the fence. So hopefully it's clean.
Up, you guys, we're back with Will's car's back, and bought some pretty, what'd you say, cheap wheels, right? These are like the cheapest wheels you can put on this car. Yeah, he got the last of like the Grail wheels. So this is probably like the Holy Grail. Ignore this guy. But yeah, these are pretty much the Holy Grail S2000 Honda wheels, whatever you want to call them. Show you them right now. MF10s. MF10s in an OG bronze with the anodized bronze lip. Probably the most timeless and I don't know, probably I want to say one of the more coveted wheels, JDM wheels for sure, especially on Hondas. But they're what's it called? I think they're 17 by 9 in the rear and then 17 by 8. 8, are they 8s or 8.5? Yeah, 8 and 9. So pretty conservative, but
The Grail spec with the Grail wheels.
yeah, it's not 9s all around, which is like the most goated fitment on these, but I mean, they're pretty hard to find, and Will did pay a pretty penny for these bad boys. Will was gonna keep this whole thing stock. This is like the OEM plus look, but this thing is not gonna look like this for much longer. So, got the wheels on there, lowered a little bit. I think Will wished that the rears were lowered a little bit more. The front, so you can see, we're dealing with that. It's not flush with the fender, fortunately. Even it's already on a spacer, I think a 5mm. But because it's only 8-inch, they're not the most aggressive wheels. Sheesh. What do you think, Will? Worth it?
Probably not.
Probably not. Yeah.
You gotta pay to play though.
That's true. Alright, you guys, what do you guys think of the MF10s? For the price, I mean, that's probably the most goated wheel. That or this. TEs or Regas, right? Like, that's pretty much the only wheel to buy.
CEs.
I guess CEs too, 17 by 10s. I do be kind of liking the RE30s lately though, because I haven't seen any cars on them. But I feel like they don't make them. Yeah, but that, or MF10s, I don't know. What would you guys do? I like all of them. He's just there. A little too expensive for me, but not for Will, you know.
You gotta get the MF10s on this car and the E88s on the other, dude.
Yeah. Crazy. I only scraped because of the side skirts. Yeah, I guess you do need that angle.
My wheels don't fly off.
Jeez.